Guys, raise up your hand if you hate math. Hey guys, I forgot what is wrong with my hair. I just wanted to say that this video was actually pre-recorded. I got my CCT back. I got 100, surprisingly, and the teacher told us that she didn't write it, so at that time I didn't know that, so it's my fault, but yeah, enjoy the video. What just happened? So basically, we have a CCT, a culminating something task. Now, whatever, this CCT is literally a 15% of your mark. She literally told us it will be a geometry CCT. So all we have to learn is geometry, the shapes, the formulas, the angles. That's it, right? Wrong. The second she gives us the paper, I look at it, and guess what I see? Algebra. What? What do you want us to study for? It's actually annoying. And the problem is, she was like, oh, okay, it's open book though, so you can look through your... I ain't looking 3 units behind to find this one way of doing algebra. But the fact that you told us that we have to study geometry, shapes, and formulas, and after putting myself through 4 hours of studying, because, you know, you don't really focus until it's actual test, then you're like, oh, is this on the test, is this on the test, is this on... We all can relate. But the fact that she gave us a test that has algebra on it, that is not geometry, miss. I don't know what went through your brain when you were putting algebra on a geometry test. That's not how life works, okay? It's not like saying, oh, I want a hot dog, and then you give me a burger, and then you say, well, you know what, they're both food. No! No! You know, they both are different foods. I don't walk into a McDonald's asking for a hot dog, okay? Like, that's not how life works. None of the class finished the CCD, so guess what? We're gonna be doing it tomorrow in class. You know the stress that goes into this? Like, I don't think people understand, okay? People don't understand that things are stressful in life. And maybe the CCT might not be stressful for you, for my grades. It matters for my parents, because they have something called the shift. Base times length times height divided by 2. No one cares. No one wants to find the volume of a prism. I don't look at this ball and be like, oh, pi times diameter gives me the area of the circle. Man. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna have to need math, so I guess I'm gonna be stuck with it for the next 4 years. But I need it to be a pharmacist. This is all for being a pharmacist.